Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mouse Tech. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to set up AR Pro VPN and protect your privacy online in all countries for a fast, a secure, and a stable internet connection. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like the video. So let me start up my tutorial. Step 1, open Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store you're going to search AR VPN. You're going to search AR Pro VPN, and then this is the application you must be installing. Take note of that app icon and then take note of the app name. So guys, after downloading, install, and then after installing, open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, educational, demonstration purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application. And then after, you are going to come and join the Telegram channel. So guys, this is what we're going to set. This is how we are going to set up this application. We are going to first come right here in the top left corner, and then you're going to look for what we call update config. Now we are going to wait for a few seconds for this application to update its configurations. And then after, we are going to come right here where you see the auto select server, and then you're going to choose from those two servers, but most of the times I recommend my viewers to keep in the auto select server. As you see, our VPN has successfully updated the servers. Now we are free to check OK, and then we are now having more than one server. Now you're going to choose the auto select server so that it selects any stable server, but you can also choose a server that is near to your country's location. So the last step, you're going to come right here, and then you're going to, now these are all servers from different countries as you see them. Now you're going to try to scroll and then look for your country, or alternatively you're going to come right here. But when you reach right here, you're going to type in your country's name, and if you don't see your country's name, you are going to come and then connect to this one. We have a working server for all countries. Then choose this one, and then after, you're going to come and select the start button. So you're going to start up this application, and then during the startup, they will request you for a connection request, and then after, check OK. We give it some few seconds to connect. Let us wait for our VPN application to connect. Now these are the troubleshooting steps. If it fails to connect, make sure that you can restart the application. Make sure you clear the app data. Make sure you try to clear the recent tab. That is it. I'm Mouse Tech. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.